Hi! Today we're going to learn about absolute value. Now, in this problem we have 4 times the absolute value of x plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 3 times the absolute value of x plus 6 plus 6. And we're supposed to solve for x. Now, solving absolute value equations is pretty much the same thing as solving regular equations. We put the variables on one side and the numbers on the other side. So in this case, we do the same thing, but the only difference is that x is not the variable. The whole absolute value is variable, meaning the absolute value of x plus 6 is the variable. So we have to put all the absolute values on one side and the rest of the numbers on the other side. So let's do that. So we have 4 times the absolute value of x plus 6 and 3 times the absolute value of x plus 6. Now let's say we put all the absolute values and all the variables on this side. So we subtract 3 times the absolute value of x plus 6. And we subtract it here also. 3 times the absolute value of x plus 6. Now, we also subtract 2 from this side because we want all the numbers on the other side. So, we do minus 2 and minus 2. So, now if we were to rewrite this equation, it would be the absolute value of x plus 6 is equal to, alright, let me write this a little below. The absolute value of x plus 6 is equal to 4. So, we can write this. Now we have to solve for x, because that's what we're supposed to do. So, x is in the absolute value. So, what absolute value means is that whenever there's a negative number and a positive number, it turns into a positive number if it is inside the absolute value symbol. So, we could write this as x plus 6 is equal to 4. Wait, so this is equal to x plus 6 is equal to 4. And x plus 6 is equal to negative 4. Now we can solve for the variable, which is x. What we do is we subtract 6 on this side, and this would be x plus 6, or x would be equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2, and if we were to subtract 6 on this side, on both sides, x would be equal to negative 10. So we have two values for these equations. So the answer to this problem is x equals 2 and x equals negative 10. Today we learned about absolute value.